In this video, we will talk about the fourth module in Mylegalsoft, which is the office account. When talking about office account, we are dealing with income and expense. For a legal firm, income automatically captured from the tax invoice. It will be the total professional fee amount. Left alone, we need to key in all the expense either every month or from time to time. I'm going to key in an example of expense, which is the payment for our telephone bill. Then I will show the 4 typical accounting report, which is the profit and loss, general ledger, balance sheet, and trial balance. To complete the office account, we also have the bank reconciliation, journal entry, and also recently we built in the check writer. This is an office account that I wish to pay my office telephone bill from. So click the add button to key in the payment. Get the voucher number and select the correct account to be debited. So for telephone bill, I'm going to knock off the telephone and fax expense account. Key in a simple amount, and also I want to include the input tax, auto insert the input tax. Okay, so with this system actually include the expense account, which is telephone and fax 100, and it also add in the GST input tax, which is the 6 ringgit for me. So if payment is by check, we can key in the check number and press update to save. From this data entry, we are able to print the payment voucher. Okay. And also we are able to print the check if we pay by check. So just tear a blank check and insert to your printer, and we can print the check. So with this, I have actually entered an expense example, which is to pay for the telecom. Then I'm going to show the P&L. For the P&L, our system is flexible to generate monthly P&L, bi-monthly, quarterly, half-yearly, or yearly. In this example, I will stick to a daily P&L to narrow down the scope. So this is an example of daily P&L. The income is actually showing the professional fee that I created previously from an invoice. And this is the expense that I just created, which is the payment for telephone and fax. So income minus expense, this will be the gross profit before tax. So this is an example of a daily P&L. Before I move on, I'd like to show an example of a complete yearly P&L just for your information. So this is an example of a full year P&L. It will show yearly professional fee earned, and here will be all the expenses code, and this will actually shows the gross profit before tax. Besides P&L, system also generate balance sheet, general ledger, and trial balance, which is a button click away.